As per the report on road accidents in India 2021, around 1.5 lakh lives are lost to road accidents every year. Thoroughly distressing as the scenario could be, the government of India, led by the reformist Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and the Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Gadkari, is determined to get this number reduced. Working in this direction, a number of safety-related endeavors are paced up and a number of new projects have been initiated. The Honorable Minister of Road Transport and Highways is extremely sensitive and fully aware that road safety improvement targets can be achieved by offering safe road infrastructure and safer vehicles. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, MORTH, is keen to provide the highest safety standards for vehicles and has in the process introduced a slew of mandatory measures for enhancing safety features in vehicles over the last few years. Among others, these include airbags, crash tests and seat belt reminders. Also, every new car model in India must undergo and clear the mandatory tests as per the Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989. This is a prerequisite for permitting the vehicle to ply on the Indian roads. The car owners in India are also according priority to safer vehicles with better safety features while making their choice for buying a new car. The Government of India realizes the need to encourage OEMs to keep enhancing the safety of the cars as well as the need of the potential car owners to be able to ascertain the safety rating of a car before making a purchase decision. Taking this into account, the Government of India has introduced the Bharat New Car Assessment Program, NCAP. Under this program, the car sold in the Indian market will be tested against an automotive safety standard to assess the performance of the car in the areas of structural integrity, adult occupant safety, child occupant safety, and safety assist technologies, and accordingly assign safety star ratings to the car based on the performance of the car in these tests. This safety star rating would assist the prospective car buyers by providing them the information and rating on the safety of the car, which will help in their decision making for procurement of a car. These new star ratings will also incentivize the car manufacturers to upgrade the safety features and enhance the structural strength of their vehicles. Hence, this program is expected to provide the ecosystem for all the stakeholders to raise the safety levels of cars beyond regulatory norms. These much-needed new developments would promote a healthy culture amongst car manufacturers who would soon compete towards designing and manufacturing more robust and safer cars to stay relevant in the market scenario. The country is surely evolving into a safety-sensitive vehicle market in the near future. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has now approved the notification for the implementation of the Bharat NCAP along with the testing standards of AIS 197. Bharat NCAP with its safety ratings would be fully functional from the 1st of October 2023. The Indian automobile industry is the growth engine of the Indian economy. Implementation of Bharat NCAP would not only increase the quality and safety of Indian cars, but would also greatly improve the export potential of the Indian cars in global markets. This would be an extremely important step towards realizing the mission and vision of Honorable Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari, that is making the Indian automobile industry the #1 automobile manufacturing hub in the world. As the world looks up to India for its meteoric rise in the global economic scenario, the safety of every Indian is becoming a top priority of Indian leadership led by Honorable PM Shri Narendra Modi and supported by the Honorable Minister of Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Gadkari. It is only a matter of time before India attains its much coveted target of reducing fatalities caused by road accidents as it continues to sprint towards becoming a world leader in the Committee of Nations.